welcome back. Today I wanted to talk to you guys about the upcoming, I hope, the Yamaha YZF R9. Now, while I was at Moto America at Laguna Seca, I had the opportunity of riding the 2022 Yamaha Tracer 9 GT. I'll link that video up here if you're interested in watching it. But besides the fact that obviously being at Moto America was awesome, getting to ride that motorcycle was the first time that I got to ride the CP3 motor. And man, holy crap. Oh yeah. That CP3 is freaking nice. Honestly, this is the first time I got to ride the CP3. That has got some nice bite to it. That a fun power plant. It's hard to explain exactly like the feel. It's like the R7 CP2 but on steroids with a considerably better sound and a much smoother feeling motorcycle, which is weird to me. It's a 3-cylinder instead of a 2-cylinder. You always would consider a 2-cylinder or a 4-cylinder to be a little less vibey, a little more smoother running motor. But there's other, there's counterweights inside motors that you can make them as smooth as you possibly want. So with the way that CP3 motor ran, felt, sound, and how it shifted, that was absolutely insane. And it blew my mind away and made me very, very interested in what the Yamaha R9 is going to be. So if you've done any form of research, Yamaha has basically got patents on the R9 naming, the branding of it, as well as like the R4, and I think there was some other bikes as well that they had gotten patents for. So we know it's coming, we just don't know when. And at first I was thinking, I don't need any more power than this R7. It's got plenty for the streets, it's perfect. After riding that Tracer 9, the feel, the sound, it was so damn impressive to me. I really truly enjoyed that motorcycle. And what else made it unbelievably cool was just like the 6-axis IMU, how the bike felt while you were riding it. So I think they are potentially going to pop out 2 models. I think there's going to be a normal R9, and then I think they're going to do an SP version, just like they did with the MT-09s. I think we're going to get the same exact setup. We're going to get a base modeled R9, and I'm hoping it's going to come with the same 6-axis IMU that comes on that Tracer 9, the same quick shifter auto blipper that came with the Tracer 9. Of course, the CP3 engine, that would be in there, and then some adequate suspension, maybe a tiny upgrade from the R7, maybe. And I think that a lot of the, obviously, form factor and shape is going to be identical to the Yamaha R7. We're just mainly going to have that CP3 power plant in it, potentially a little bit better dashboard, 6-axis IMU, quick shifter auto blipper, and that IMU is going to give us access to lean angle ABS, lean angle traction control. We're going to get anti-wheelie and lean angle ABS. So hopefully, at least on the R9, they push into removing the rear ABS, or at least give you the ability to shut it off. I think that would be amazing. That would make the bike considerably better. But I am super excited. Now that I've rode that Tracer 9, I've gotten to feel the power output, the crazy low down torque that the CP3 produces. It is just freaking fantastic, and I'm super excited about it. I can only imagine having this lightweight R7-like package with that CP3 motor in it, and then on top of that, all the electronics to assist you from looping it out in a corner with all that power that it's going to have. So I think that's going to be really cool to have the serious rider aids on that CP9, because the same reason why I love this Yamaha R7 is I don't have to be a professional to come out here on these roads and have just an absolute blast. And I don't have to be in the right gear. I could be in the wrong gear and still have some torque a little lower down in the rev range to still let me have a lot of fun out here. I don't have to be a pro. I can just have fun. So I think you're going to get all of that out of that CP9. You're going to get the same kind of package. out of that CP9. The main difference is going to be we're going to get serious rider aids and more power to actually manipulate all of that. Which is going to be super freaking cool. To get the chance to ride that CP3, to truly understand what I think that bike is going to be like, I can only imagine the meld of the R7 with the CP3 engine and a bunch of dope ass freaking rider aids is going to make it just freaking rad as hell. So thanks again for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know what you think about the Yamaha R9. If that's something you're interested in, would you want that bike? Leave a comment below, and I'll see you guys next week. Peace.